What a year it's been with the pandemic and the coronavirus and everything that's been going on. And the 2-month stay-at-home order, I figured what a better time to start a project like this. So with not knowing which businesses were going to be essential, off to the lumber yard I went to get some building materials. I cleared out an area I had in mind and I set my first post. I spent a fair amount of time with string line and measuring and just trying to get everything square. Once I got the posts plumb and where I wanted them, I put up some cross bracing to hold them in place. Then I could start putting up the girts and all the roof rafters. At this point, it's nice to see it starting to take shape. I know I still have a ways to go with the roofing and sidewalls, but it sure is starting to look good. Here you can see I got my rafters and purlins up, which I'm going to attach my roofing metal to. Here's a rooftop view of my other buildings. Here I'm starting to get some metal on the roof, which is really exciting. I also cut my rafter tails and installed fascia board on them. Here I'm starting to frame the walls and the garage door openings. Here I'm getting some plywood and OSB sheeting on the walls. I may put some kind of siding on it in the future, I haven't decided yet. Well, here it is, pretty much all enclosed, but I think I'm going to wait till next year to put some garage doors on it. I'm happy it's been a great accomplishment in an otherwise not so good year. I now finally have a little more storage space and a place to park my mud truck. Thanks for watching and stay safe, everyone.